Join Viking on an incredible 8-day voyage to some of the southern Mediterranean's most picturesque destinations. Your journey begins in the eternal city of Rome, where time stands still and the past is alive. The Isle of Malta is your first destination, where you'll experience the UNESCO-listed capital of Valletta. Tunisia's fascinating Tunis is a treasure wonderland and gateway to the ruins of ancient Carthage. In beautiful Sardinia, you'll marvel at the sparkling lagoons and sights like the Castle of Cagliari. Next is Valencia, a Spanish jewel on the Mediterranean that merges Gothic heritage with modern architectural masterpieces. Your journey concludes in vibrant Barcelona, the exciting capital of Catalonia.